If you have a business but don't have a website yet, I'm sorry to say, but you're missing out on a lot of growth opportunities. Running a business nowadays without a website is like running barefoot with metal chain tied to your legs. It's burdensome, it's painful, and you won't get as far. On the other hand, having a website for your business is like running with a pair of shoes designed to maximize your physical strength. You see, a website maximizes your business potential and it lets you go extra miles. So, in this video, I'll help your business go extra mile by teaching you how to create an e-commerce website with Shopify in very easy to follow steps. Hi guys, it's Hazy here again, and I'm here to show you how you can unleash your potential by creating an e-commerce website so you can grow your business on a global scale. If it's your first time watching us, Ecom Learning with PageFly is here to equip you with all the knowledge that you need to run a successful online store by giving you expert tips on all things e-commerce. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you're ready to start the e-commerce journey with Shopify, pay close attention because this is your starting point. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let's jump right in. But before anything else, I'd like to set things straight. You might be asking, why Shopify? Why not this and that? Well, Shopify is a proven and tested e-commerce platform that will provide your business a reliable platform to showcase your brand to the world. With more than 2 million live Shopify websites today, it's hard to go wrong when it's trusted by that many people. So, back to the question, why Shopify? So here are some of the many reasons why this is the perfect platform for your online store. The first reason, Shopify's interface is like a walk in the park, even if you're not a tech whiz. You might get a little confused at first, especially if you're using it for the first time, but once you get used to it, Shopify is a breeze to use. With its drag and drop functionality and customizable templates, you'll be able to create a stunning online store in no time. It's like having your own personal website designer, minus the hefty price tag and hours of head scratching. We're talking about a powerhouse of tools and functionalities designed to supercharge your online business, from inventory management and order processing to seamless payment gateways and integrations with hundreds of other apps to make your life easier and your business more profitable. Simply put, Shopify has all the solutions that you're looking for in an e-commerce platform. So, Shopify has recently leveled up with their Shopify 2.0 update. This game-changing enhancement takes your online store to new heights with even more cutting-edge features and draw-dropping design options. It's like giving your business a turbo boost, taking you from zero to e-commerce hero in record time. In e-commerce, every second counts. That's why you don't want to waste your time on an unreliable platform that gives you more downtime than it gives you sales. Your online store needs to be accessible 24/7, and Shopify understands that. With a rock-solid infrastructure, you can count on your website being up and running, serving your customers day and night, 99.9% of the time. When it comes to online transactions, trust is everything. And trust me guys, Shopify takes security seriously, ensuring your customers' sensitive information is protected with encrypted payment gateways and regular security updates. Your customers can shop with confidence and you can focus on growing your business and sipping your coffee on a Monday afternoon because you know that Shopify store is doing all its jobs incredibly well. Now let's get right into building your very first Shopify store. Have another tab open and follow along with me. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to sign up for an account. Head to www.shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. Okay, after clicking Start Free Trial, you need to answer some of the preliminary questions to tailor down the store according to your specific needs. You can skip answering the questions or you can answer them now. So in this one, we're choosing, I'm just starting. I like to sell on an online store, drop shipping products, and we're going to name it Tools for Greeneries because we would like to establish a drop shipping business with a niche focus on gardening tools. Select a region and sign up using your email address. Wait for a few seconds and there you have it. And now you officially have a Shopify account. Alright, so after Shopify has completed your sign-up process, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. In here, you'll see a bunch of menu items and you can manipulate all aspects of your e-commerce store. Take note that right at this stage, you're using a Shopify free trial account and this is only good for 3 days. And you'll be able to publish your store in a free trial, but this is a good way for you to familiarize different functionalities of Shopify. But let's say if you want to go all in and unlock all Shopify features, you can select a plan for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. And only after 3 months will you pay the regular price. This means that you only need to make a few sales to cover your Shopify startup. No pressure here. So does that sound good to you? I'll leave a link on the description box if you want to start your Shopify subscription today. Okay, going back to the theme editors, I will first focus on your online store. So let's go right here and click the online store button. You'll see that you now have an online store template using the default theme called Dawn. So let's see how it looks right now. To do that, click 3-dot button and select Preview. You'll see that your store is pretty much empty right now because we haven't started putting your own access into the store yet. Of course, you would want to personalize your store. And to do that, we will have to go to the theme editor to make some changes. Now let's look at the theme editor so you can customize your store. In the online store dashboard, click Customize. In your theme editor, you'll see your website on the right side divided into page sections. And on the left panel of your theme editors are the menu items that you can click to edit the sections of your store. So let's say if you want to change your features image on the homepage, simply click on it and your menu automatically goes to the image banner. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can use Shopify Burst to find stock image for free. To do that, simply click Explore Image and search the type of image you want to look for. Let's try searching for a garden, since I will be selling garden tools. Scroll through the photos until you find the ones that you like and click on it. It will automatically replace your existing feature image. And the same goes for other sections of your online store. Simply click on that sections and make adjustment according to the taste. Well, at this stage, mistakes are bound to happen, especially if you're new to managing an e-commerce store. So go ahead and explore the theme editors and its function until you familiarize yourself. Don't be too afraid to make mistakes at this point. Remember that your online store isn't published yet, so the best time to practice is now. The good thing about Shopify is that editing an online store is very easy, even for beginners like you. So with just a few trials and errors, you'll be able to make beautiful, professional-looking website. Okay, we're using the Dawn theme, right? And if it looks a little bit boring to you, no problem. We can choose another theme that better represents your brand. To do that, go back to your online store dashboard. Beside Theme Library, click Add Theme and visit the theme store. Click Explore Themes. Now you can choose from more than 100 themes for your online store. On the left side, you can choose your industry to narrow down the choice. Let's choose outdoors and gardens, home and decor, and arts and crafts to narrow down the choice. Alright, as you can see, the results are a combination of free and paid themes. So if you're operating on the shoestrings, you can choose a free theme for your online store. But if you're willing to spend for a theme, then you can opt for a paid one. The good things about Shopify is that it lets you try out all themes, including the paid ones, before actually paying them upfront. You only need to purchase a theme when you are ready to publish it. Now let's look at some Shopify theme suggestions based on the filter that I have applied. But before choosing a theme, you should remember that free and paid themes largely differs in features. So make sure that you check the features of the theme and not just its aesthetic before choosing to committing to one. Alright, so free themes are best used for non-complex Shopify stores with just a few SKUs. On the other hand, paid themes are best used if you're looking to install various apps, add complexity to the store, and if you plan to sell various product or large SKUs. So with that out of the way, let's look at some of my initial theme choice. Our first choice is Studio, a free Shopify theme. Let's view the demo store. This is nice. I like that. It's very simple, but there are no sub-themes, so we only have one choice when it comes to Studio. It is very simple, very clean. I actually like it, but I think that is too simple for a dropshipping store. So let's look at one more theme. The pipeline themes looks interesting. It also has 4 sub-themes, but I think that I like most is Bright. Let's view the demo store. I kind of like the large photo sections of the theme and also the topography. It is a combination of simple styling and modern design. And although the sub-themes look like it's best suited for a cosmetic business, I think I'll go with this one for our business. Let's see the features first before we finalize our choice. Alright, so I see here that it's suitable for high volume stores, enhanced search, and a mega menu for navigations. Okay, these are the features that we're looking for in a high volume dropshipping store. So let's get ahead and install Pipeline. Simply click Try Themes and Shopify will automatically install it into your store. In your online store dashboard under the theme library, you'll now see that the theme has been added. Click Customize again to go to the theme editors and personalize your store. Oh, and by the way, guys, here's a bonus tip for you. Shopify knows that thinking of great copywriting for your homepage and your product page is just really challenging and time-consuming. So they have made life easier for all new Shopify users with this AI tool called Magic AI. With this, you can generate ideas in literally under 1 minute. So if you want to learn more about this, just check the link in the description box. All right, there you go. Now you have an e-commerce store with a beautiful theme. But how do we add a product? Let me show you exactly how. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Products and select Products again. Click Add Your Products and fill out the necessary details such as the title, description, price, variants, and other aspects of your products. All right, let's go back to our new Shopify store, Tools for Greeneries. Since we want a drop shipping model, we simply have to click Find Products to Sell. We will then be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Scroll down and you'll see a number of Shopify dropshipping apps that you can integrate with your online store to find winning products. In my case, I'm going to choose DSR's AliExpress. Oh, by the way, guys, we have a written blogs about dropshipping in AliExpress with no money. If you want to learn more about this, check the link in the description box. And we'll be diving deeper into this topic in the future. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified when the new videos are up. Alright guys, so you might not realize it by now yet, but sooner or later you have to scale up and expand your website. And that means revamping your store to improve its design to represent your brand in a new way. So a huge portion of your success will rely on how your online store is built, and as such, you want to make sure that your online store is designed for conversion. And there is this Shopify page builder app called PageFly is born to do that for you. So PageFly basically lets you customize literally any elements for a store, and at the same time, it gives you more than 100 templates to choose from, all free, and optimize your conversion. Also, Shopify themes can be expensive. Of course, you can use free themes, but they have their limitations, and if you went to those top tier ones, you should be ready to spend for their purchase price. So yeah, if you're a newbie and just exploring, testing things out, definitely try using PageFly with their lifetime free plan. So if you want to try it out, check the link for the free subscription in the description box. All right, congratulations! You now have an e-commerce store with personalized homepage, and now you know how to add products to your online store. I must admit that you can learn everything in just one sitting. E-commerce is a continuous process that is best learned when you're doing it. But in the meantime, familiarize yourself with the theme editor and don't be afraid to experiment different designs and iterations of your online store. And if you want to unleash your creativity, I highly suggest using PageFly in the trial store. Alright, so now you have a Shopify store and you are one step closer towards your dream e-commerce business. Remember that this is just the beginning of your online business journey. Be patient with yourself and be committed to learning everything that you need to know in the business so that one day you can scale it and reach your financial goals. And if you want to stay on track in your e-commerce journey, Ecom Learning with PageFly will help you unravel your potential and increase your chance of success in e-commerce. So, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you know when a new video is up. And if you want to learn other topics, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comment section. Otherwise, say hi so we know that you stay throughout the videos. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!